All right, Ray. We're recording, Ray. What do we have here, Ray?
We have an Xbox with Fortnite and Rocket League on this. This is actually an interesting packaging system. We're trying to extricate from this box a system that actually, for you gamers, would probably like. What I deem is somewhat, if you feel it's one of the standards, so be it. But let's see what we have in a surprise. Woohoo! Okay, outer container. Now gone. We'll lay that down. Ooh, what, pray tell, do we have here? Okay, now.
Looks like it's upside down.
We have another one.
A little piece of tape.
Yes, another packaging tape.
Okay.
Sealant tape.
Sealant.
Yeah, that. Make sure that they have their product situated in an appropriate manner. Oh, come on. I got some nails. Oh. Oh, okay, come on. Alright, okay. Here we go. Alright. Now, we... Don't muscle it.
Don't muscle it.
Yeah. Don't muscle it.
There it goes. There it goes.
There it goes. There
like
it
a
goes.
shoe box.
Yeah. When was the last time you had shoes like this?
I can't even tell you.
Okay. I know it's coming.
That's what she said. Sorry, kids. Your mom will tell you that joke when you get older.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Let me see the knife again. Hey, we got some tape on the sides. That's why it won't rotate.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they really...
Interesting packaging. See?
Okay. Can't wait to, what's his name, start making cars.
Yeah. There we go. Set that off to the side. Ha! Voila!
Voila.
Oh, what do we have here now?
Okay. It's a box.
It's a box. And you know what?
Look at that.
It tells us, based on certain standards, that, oh God, this is so much smaller than what it used to be. Compact. Ooh, love the packaging.
Yes.
Let's do this one more time.
Okay.
And take the hair off there.
It doesn't want to come off.
Yeah, we'll grab it. Dog hair.
Dog hair. That's a big dog.
Yeah.
Two-legged one.
Okay. You said that, I didn't.
Yes.
Okay. So, and then we have on the side here, also. Okay. And then I'm sure on this other side, so we have three sides that are very well taped. And based on that standard, now I'm going to set this down on the ground, guys.
All right.
Okay. And
Does
because of that, we're going to look
Does it come with a controller?
Yes, it does.
Awesome.
I'm sure. It might be still within the side of the packaging.
Okay.
But here is the box itself. Okay. I'm going to set this here. I'm going to fold this up. I'm going to go back into the box and get the rest, because you can feel there's a certain amount of weight
Okay.
that
In the back of it. The white box in the back. Right there. Yes, right there.
underneath.
No, boss. Right here in the corner. Right there. Is it a box right there?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, boss, right here.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you so very, very much. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Brain dead. You know, when you get up into your mid-60s,
Yes.
you know what? You're a little slow. And these youngsters, they will teach you new lessons, which are very advantageous in trying to get in this gaming world, which that would be a good thing if you choose to do so. But returning all this packaging, but since I'm not wearing my glasses, and I had to have somebody to enlighten me and tell me, oh look, and see how this is. So you can repackage this.
Okay.
Real quick and easy. Okay. So now, set that right down. There. Okay. So we have a power cord.
HDMI.
We have a HDMI, and we have a controller. So before we do the power cords, because we know that's already going to work, let's look at the controller because it requires batteries, right?
I think it's powered when you plug it in. No?
Is it?
It should be.
I don't know.
I don't know
I've never been a gamer.
I've never been an Xboxer.
Well, aren't they all the same?
I would say.
Oh yeah, we got batteries.
Batteries, yes.
Batteries included.
Okay, cool. Remember, toys didn't come with batteries back in the day.
Must you remind me when,
Yes.
based on my age that,
Yes.
yeah, mom and dad had to buy. Oh, this is nice. Oh, so it's all thumb control.
Okay.
All right. So now, how pray tell are we going to move forward? Hey, you know what?
What?
Let's do this. How about let's get this. Let's set up the controller because we know based on the power cords that's going to work.
Okay.
So we have two AA batteries.
Double A's.
Two AA's that are included with the kit.
It comes with it.
Yeah. And in opening up this,
Okay, just a push
yeah,
back.
it's just a push controller. Now, oh, yeah. You can look at your anode cathode tap points on how things work.
Oh, Duracell too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
They're good.
You know, not the Energizer Bunny, but
Yeah.
they're even better.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So now we can look at the back of this, and
This is the power.
yes, and what we're
Memory.
gonna do
Is that memory? External storage.
yeah,
HDMI.
and you know what? We'll work with external storage here in a little bit. I have an external storage 512 gigabyte SSD that I just have sitting out there doing nothing.
No.
Gee, imagine that.
Yes.
Yeah, it's kind of like my brain sitting out there doing nothing.
Nothing.
All right, so we're gonna do this, which, ooh, good connect.
Awesome.
Now we have this. Which TV?
Let's do the big boy.
Okay, we have to look at power.
Yeah. Well, it's coming up on 9 minutes, boss. So we're gonna
Okay,
We're gonna
you
cut
cut
this
it
one.
off.
later, guys. See you later, Ray.
Later. Have a good time.